Dear students, I think there is no need to remind that there is no better career choice in this country other than civil services. The reasons are obvious: the type of exposure, the diversity, and above all, the feeling to serve the country from the position of authority. I believe this is an unparalleled experience. Now, civil services is the topmost choice as a career, but the problem is it is also one of the toughest examinations to clear. Why civil services is considered as one of the toughest examination? Because of the number of aspirants appearing for this examination, besides the vastness of the syllabus and the type of the skills required. If we compare with any other examination, maybe one or two skills are sufficient. Suppose you are giving for exam of engineering or MBA, a specific type of skill is needed. But for civil services, a wholesome personality is required. Hence, if we have chosen civil services as a career, it is also important that our dream does not remain dream. They get resulted into the actualization. Our studies and our efforts should result into the actual and concrete results of it. It is in this context SRIS has always tried to provide the quality education to the students across the country. We are proud to tell that today SRIS has the branches throughout the country. We have a very efficient center in Uttarakhand. We are going to organize a workshop for the aspirants at Pant Nagar University on 17th December at 2 p.m. The objective of the workshop is to remove various confusions and cobweb, to give the students a very straightforward, clinical and clear-minded approach towards this examination. We will try our best to address your doubts. We will try that you get the right approach from the beginning. This workshop is also going to be important for the students who are still in college and they want to start their preparation. So I welcome all of you for this particular workshop. You attend the workshop and get your queries addressed by me. Thank you.